everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm on the 2021 Bennington 22 GSR. This boat is a tri-tune with the Mercury 200 horsepower V6 motor and power assist steering. We did the midnight black paneling on this boat with the graphite syntax and carbon accent and silver tinted seagrass flooring. Come on aboard and let me show you a better look. This is our most popular floor plan, having the stern radius seating, which incorporates the same style seats in the front of the boat into the stern. Has the captain and co-captain's chair. Like I said, it really gives you a whole new perspective on boating. We do a lot of options on this boat. We do the pillow top upholstery with the diamond pressed inlay. This boat has the 20% cutout for the cup holders and speakers. It's a great place to put your sunglasses or sunscreen. Also, we did the LED lighting package, so all your speakers and cup holders light up in a variety of lights as well. Check out the new console on this boat. They incorporate this into the 2020 models. It has the elevated captain's chair with the Simrad digital dash. That dash there will give you a whole array of features like chart plotter, GPS, and display all your gauges as well. Coming to the back of the boat, this boat does have the extended swim deck in the back with the curved entry boarding ladder, which really makes it easy to get on and off of the boat. All the Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot long bimini top and a full playpen mooring cover. We're really excited to show you guys this boat. So we hope you can come by the dealership and take a look at this one and all the other ones we have in stock currently.